This is how to clean your nozzles. You can purchase nozzle cleaner from MistCooling.com, and you will take your nozzles out that need to be cleaned. Get all your nozzles together. Get a bowl of hot water. Pour this into the bowl. It'll dissolve immediately. You can then place your nozzles into the bowl, and every now and then stir them around a little bit. If you have bad crustation on them, you can also clean them with a toothbrush, but let these soak in the bowl for 3 to 5 hours, and then when you take them out of the bowl, rinse them off and let them dry.